Hello everyone, I'm Chef Jason Cabasan. I am the Asia Pacific Baking Center Coordinator, working with our Baking Center team and customers in Singapore, Indonesia, Vietnam, and Australia. I'm also the Technical Sales Manager for Yeast and Baking Solutions here in Lasaf, Philippines, and I've been in the baking industry for 18 years. So today I am here with you and I will be making a very delicious recipe called Candied Orange Bread. Candied Orange Bread is a festive kind of bread. This means it's the same as panettone or stoled, two other kinds of bread that are very soft, light, and sweet. Candied Orange Bread is good for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and in-between snacks. Honestly, there are many reasons to be excited about this bread, and one reason is you can enjoy the bread the whole year round. Another exciting reason is we are actually making our Candied Orange Bread today. So you'll have a different bread offering aside from the usual panettone or stoled. So now, let's get to our ingredients. For the dough, bread flour, all-purpose flour, water, eggs, sugar, milk, salt, margarine, shortening, rum, candied orange, candied fruit, plus our Magimix yellow bread improver, and SAF instant gold yeast. For the topping, dried orange and pearl sugar. Okay, so now let's make our candied orange bread. Mix all dry ingredients at low speed for 30 seconds, then add water, milk, and eggs, and mix for another 3 minutes. Add shortening and margarine, mix at high speed for 5 minutes. Then add candied fruit and candied orange. Mix at low speed until fully incorporated. Rest dough for 5 minutes and divide into 300 grams. Shape the dough by rolling into a sausage shape. Join both ends. Proof at 27 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes or until double in size. Apply egg wash. Add pearl sugar as topping. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes or until golden brown. Remove from pan, cool on a wire rack. Finally, top with dried orange slices. But they must be rehydrated first before you put them on the bread. Here it is, our candied orange bread. Looks delicious, right? Just remember, follow the instructions, so when you make your candied orange bread, there will be no surprises. But in the end, you will be surprised how delicious it is and that you were able to make it yourself. So for now, I will say goodbye. Thank you for joining me. Remember to like and follow us on social media. For more products and recipes, don't forget to visit our website. See you next time.